In this question, they ask us to find the y dx using first principle method. Then we square both sides. We have y squared is equal to 1 over x. But if you square root, it give you x. You now want to give us y plus the y all square is equal to 1 over plus the x to add the change. That's why when you see a variable, add the change, and the change is the x. When you expand this, you have y squared plus 2y dy plus the y squared is equals to 1 over x plus the x. Then the y squared will cross 2y dy plus the y squared is equal to 1 over x plus the x. Since y squared is 1 over x, we find LCM so that x bracket x plus the s. When we go, that's s minus the x, so that x will go. We have the 2y dy plus the y squared is giving us minus the s over s squared plus s dx. Then we divide all through by the x, so that 2y dy dx plus the squared y over the x is giving us minus the x over x squared plus the y squared times by 1 over the x squared, so that the x will go. Then the squared y over x will now turn to 0. We have 2y dy over the x plus 0 is giving us minus 1 over x squared plus the x. Divide all 2 by 2y, so that the y, this will now give us minus 1 over x squared plus dx times by 1 over 2y. Since y equals to square root 1 over root x. So that what we are having here now is minus 1 over x squared plus the x times 1 over 2 root x. So that what we are having here now minus 1 over 2 x squared plus 1 over 2.
Mistake.